Did you know you can trade high-quality stocks like Tesla, NVDA, and CRCL directly in Bitget? With our newly launched real-world asset trading products, your favorite stocks are tokenized and available in Bitget futures, which means you can trade them with 10 times leverage on both short and long positions. Let's take a quick look at how to get started. First, log into your verified Bitget account. On the home page, tap on the futures icon in the navigation bar. Before trading, make sure your futures account is funded. Go to Assets, select Transfer, choose the amount of USDT you want to move to your spot or funding wallet into your futures account and confirm transfer. With your funds ready, now it's time to select your trading pair. You'll find the listing under the ticker symbol TSLA USDT for Tesla, NVDA USDT for NVDA, CRCL USDT for CRCL. Decide on your leverage. Bitget offers 10 times leverage. Remember, the higher leverage means higher potential returns but also higher risk. Next, you have to choose your margin mode. Cross uses your entire margin balance. Isolated limits risks to a specific position. For RWAs, only isolated margin is supported. Step 5 is to place your order. Now choose your order type. Market order executes instantly at the current market price. Limit order lets you set the exact price you want to buy or sell. Enter your amount. Confirm your price. Then choose buy long if you want to expect the price to rise, or sell short if you expect the price to fall. Step 6 is to manage your position. After placing your order, track it in the position tab. Here you can set the take profit and stop loss levels to lock in the gains and manage the risk effectively. Step 7, you can try demo trading. If you are new to Bitget futures trading, make sure you try out the demo trading first. This feature lets you practice with faucet funds in a risk-free environment until you are comfortable in a live market. Key product details and risk notes. Here are a few things to note when trading RWA futures. Underlying assets, real-world asset-based indices represent TSLA, NVDA, CRCL. Settling currency is in USDT. Tick size is 0.01. Max leverage is 10 times. Margin mode is isolated only.
Trading hours is 24/5 from Monday to Saturday.
Funding fees is settled hourly. Holidays, there's a shutdown. That is trading pauses during traditional financial market holidays. Example, New Year's Day, MLK Day, Good Friday, and Memorial Day. Early closures. Market closes at 1 p.m. UTC on July 3rd, November 28th, and December 24th. Overnight gaps. Prices may differ significantly between close and opens. Always manage your risk. So that's it, you're fully equipped to start trading real-world assets like Tesla, NVDA, CRCL on Bitget futures. Remember, always trade responsibly and only invest what you can afford to lose. And as always, trade smarter with Bitget.